If you're thinking about starting an online business, but you feel unsure, overwhelmed, or hesitant to spend money, this video is for you. Most beginners don't quit because they aren't capable. They quit because they feel pressured to move too fast. The problem usually isn't effort or motivation. It's pressure to buy, decide, or commit before you understand what you're doing. A better approach is to start free and focus on learning first, without rushing or forcing decisions. One platform that allows this is Groove. It lets you build pages, funnels, and basic systems without paying anything up front. And just so you know, you don't have to upgrade. You can take your time and move at your own pace. My goal isn't to sell you tools. It's to help you understand what matters first so you can avoid confusion and regret later. If you want to explore Groove for free, there's a simple link below this video. No credit card is required. You're allowed to go slow. That's how real online businesses are built. I'll see you in the next video.